Ayong adlaw sa tanan, I'm Muhammad Khalid Kibran sa Dimaporo, Congressman of the 1st District of Lanao del Norte. And I want to say thank you to our very dear friend, the President of the Philippines, President Bongbong Marcos, for spending time to come and visit the province of Lanao del Norte. First, I'd like to send my gratitude to the untiring efforts and support of our PGLDN employees, the department heads, the committee heads, the members of the different task force and groups, making sure that the different venues are prepared, making sure that the AKAP distribution is successful, making sure that lahat ng mga wish list ng presidential management staff is checked off para happy sila, and we can get the go signal na the President will come visit the province of Lanao del Norte. Daghan salamat sa iyong trabaho. Without your hard work and your dedication to the people of Lanao del Norte and our Governor Gov Anguing Kibran sa Dimaporo, I don't think the visit of the President would have been as smooth and successful as possible. And to my dear friend, Secretary Conrad Estrella, and it's always a pleasure to have him visit the province of Lanao del Norte and bring the very best of the Department of Agrarian Reforms programs to our region and to our province. So, daghan salamat, Secretary Conrad, for visiting again the MCC in this very monumental time, which is the part of the 65th Araw ng Lanao del Norte celebrations. And we saved the best for last, and that's to our dear President, President Bongbong Marcos. The most important thing for all of us, especially for the Dimaporo family, is his presence in the province of Lanao del Norte. We will never forget the bonds that the Dimaporo family had with his father, the late Ferdinand Marcos Sr., and that bond and that friendship and that loyalty carries through generations. So it really brought joy to my father, Abdullah Dimacuta Dimaporo, to see Bongbong Marcos once again visit the province of Lanao del Norte. And it surely makes us feel that we have not been forgotten. And daghan salamat, Your Excellency, President Bongbong Marcos, for giving us your time and visiting our province, the land of beauty and bounty, the province of Lanao del Norte.